JJLEE squad, it is your boy Jordan, and I'm back with another video. Got a new mod for the Challenger. Hope y'all ready for this. Bam. Quad exhaust tips, bro. Blue flame stainless steel quad exhaust tips. Jesus. I'm waiting on these for a minute. I didn't want to get black because everybody gets black. I'm getting tired of the regular stock look behind my car. Painted tail lights. Time to upgrade the exhaust tips with that ugly rectangle. And I didn't want to just get regular stainless steel, chrome, whatever you want to call it. But, you know, so I was like, dang, I saw these. Paid about $80. eBay. Blue flame exhaust tips, man. Looking pretty good. If I'm going to go get them installed right now, I'm going to take y'all with me. But here they go. Look at them, bro. Look how cool they look, bro. Oh my God. Yeah, these gonna look good in the back, bro. Stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. Jesus. I'm just amazed, bro. It looks really cool. It's different. Like I said, no black, no regular stainless steel, blue flame. I don't even know how you call it, but I'm calling them blue flame exhaust tips because, you know, they burn that end till it changes color. This shit, that's sweet, fam. We're gonna come down to Graves Mufflers, y'all. Just wanna get hooked up. That's my baby, bro. Stay tuned, man. Graves Muffler on LaSalle. Alright, JJLEE squad, I am back, man. I'm sorry for the abrupt ending. Well, my phone cut off because I need to be charged or discharged. But here y'all go, man. It added like a deeper tone to it for some reason. When I'm stepping on it, it's like growling for real. Look at that. Oh my God, I'm in love, bro. They changed up the whole back end, the blacked out lights. Quad tip blue frame, freaking exhaust tips, 3-inch. My pipe is 2-inch, so you know they had to fit other pipe inside the exhaust tips to fit the original pipe. So I guess that's why. I guess that's why the pipe was like that. I guess. But yeah. Let me go ahead. I'll rev it a little bit for y'all, so I ain't holding out on y'all because it sounds deeper. See? 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 Like, I know it kind of used to sound like that, but there's like I don't know. Y'all tell me if y'all hear it or not, man. But yes, my car's dirty. But yeah, tell me if y'all hear it or not, man. But it's a deeper tone to that bitch, bro. Jesus. They look great, man. They fit that orange and black scheme perfectly. Look how they hang down, bro. That's what she said. I like how they stick out a little bit. I'm shaky. But, yeah, that's it. I'm going to get, probably add another video after this video to get a couple more revs in for y'all. Or, you know, I'm going to just leave it paused real quick. And then I'm going to just put it, you know, in the car as me driving. Man, I need to get a GoPro, bro. But, yeah, I'm going to put me driving. I'm going to let y'all hear the inside and y'all tell me if it sounds a little bit different. I know not too different, but it sounds like a little deep. Y'all let me know. If I need your restroom real quick, I'll be right back. And we are back once again. Anyway, can y'all hear it a little bit? I'm going to step on it real quick in a second, but I swear, bro, this fucking sounds deeper, bro. I swear it does. I ain't crazy. Okay. Y'all hear it? I swear I ain't tripping. Maybe it's like the extra pipe I added something good, but I don't know. But anyway, I guess that's it for this video, man. I will catch y'all later. Remember, like, comment, favorite, share. Tell me what y'all think about this mod. And yeah, I guess I will catch y'all later. And just thanks for watching. Dang, man. I swear, bro, it's different. I'm gonna have to put for the poll, man. It sounds different, y'all.